Hi guys, this is Sridhar. Today I am going to explain you about the sed command in Unix shell scripting. Sed, then it's derived from the name stream editor. It's basically used for modifying the file contents in Unix or in Linux as well. Normally, if you say sed, people think that sed is used for doing some substitution. It will find for the pattern, and if it finds, then it will replace the pattern. Usually people will think that sed is mainly used for find and replace, but apart from this find and replace, that is substitution, sed is used for many other purpose. Today we are going to discuss about all the main purpose of using sed command. I have highlighted here some of the main things which we used for using the sed command. The first one is the substitution. As you all know, it will search for a pattern, and if it finds, then it will replace the pattern. And the second one is it will print a specific line numbers. If you want to print a line number from say 5 to 10 line numbers, or from 50th line to 60th line number, if you want to print a specific line numbers, you can mention that those line numbers in the sed command, and only those lines will be printed. And the third one is it can be used for searching for a pattern. Normally you will think that to search for a pattern you will be using only the grep command. Apart from the grep command, you can also use the sed command for searching a pattern. You can also use case insensitive search pattern also in sed command. And next one is you can search for the pattern and it will display the result, and in the displayed output also you can do the substitution or find and replace. Normally you will do the find and replace for the given input file only, but here it will search for the pattern, it will display the result. From the displayed output, from the result, you can do the substitution, or you can do the substitution in the, otherwise I can say that you can do the find and replace also. And the next one you can insert a text. You can insert any text at any given line numbers. You can also append a text to the given input file. You can also change a line with the given text. Instead of this line, please replace with this line. Like that you can do it in the sed command. And you can also do the transform, same like you are doing in tr command. In tr command, if you want to replace all the lowercase into uppercase and uppercase into lowercase, like that you can do the same in sed command also. It will replace a single character, not the entire word. The entire word can be replaced in substitution, but the single character can also be replaced in sed command also. The next one, you can delete a line containing the pattern. You are searching for the pattern, and if the pattern found, then you can delete the line contains that pattern. And you can also run multiple sed commands. Instead of giving the pipeline symbol, pipelining the previous output to the next sed command, instead of doing like that, you can combine all the sed command using a single line. In a single line, by combining all the sed commands, you can give some options so that you can run multiple sed command in a single line itself. Basically, these are the things we can do it in sed command. We'll be discussing about the examples in the upcoming session. I created a sample file called cat file.txt. Already created the file. Let me list the contents. Already created. The first one is, as all know, just I am doing the substitution. I am searching for the I am searching for the word Unix, and if it finds the Unix word, then it will be replaced by Linux. This is a syntax. S is for substitution. It is substituting the word Unix by the word Linux. If it will search for the word Unix. If it finds the word Unix, then it will be replaced by Linux. And the last one here, there will be one more parameter value will come, but here we didn't give that. Normally we will be using G. G means it will search for the Unix, and it will be replacing Unix by Linux for all the patterns contained in this input file. For all the patterns contained in this Unix file, file.txt, it will be replaced. But here I didn't mention that G parameter, so it will be replaced only for the first available pattern. It will search for the pattern. In the first line it will search where the Unix is, where it is in the first line. Here it is. So this first pattern, first matching instance will be replaced. Is there any other Unix here? Yes, here there is one more Unix, but this will not be replaced because we didn't give anything here. If you give G, then all the matching instance will be replaced. If you didn't give anything, then only the leftmost first matching instance will be replaced. The leftmost first matching instance is this one. Only this will be replaced. Next one, there is no Unix, and here this one. So only the first leftmost, the matching instance, this one alone will be replaced, and this will not be replaced. Let me execute. If you see, I didn't give any parameter here, so the leftmost instance is replaced, and the second matching instance is not replaced, and the third one is also not replaced. Coming to the second line, there is no matching pattern, and the third line, the leftmost matching instance is replaced, and the second one is not replaced. Let me put it as 1. 1 means the first matching instance will be replaced. Only the first matching instance will be replaced. The rest will be ignored. So both this one, that is s/unix/linux, without giving any parameter here, this one and the second one, both are same. Here also I am replacing only the first matching instance. This is the first matching instance. It is replaced. The second matching instance is not replaced because we have given it as 1. So both are same. And the second line, there is no matching instance, and in the third line, the first matching instance, it is replaced, and the second matching instance is not replaced. So if you give 1, instead of 1, if you give 2, what will be the result? Only the second matching instance will be replaced. What is the second matching instance in the original file? This is the original file. What is the second matching instance? This is the second matching instance, and this one is third, leave it. And in the second line there is no matching instance, and in the third line this is the first one, and this is the second matching instance. Only the second matching instance will be replaced. Let me check. It's not replaced, and this one is replaced, and the third one is not replaced. There is no matching instance in the second line, and the third line it's not replaced, and the second one, second matching instance, it is replaced. Unix is replaced by Linux. So if you give 3 means only the third matching instance will be replaced. So the rest of the things will be ignored. Only in the first line you are having 3 matching instance. So the first one is not replaced, second one not replaced, and the third one alone replaced because we have given it as 3. So only the third matching instance will be replaced, and in the second line there is no matching line, and in the third line only 2 instances are there, matching instances are there, so nothing got replaced. If you want to replace all, then you can give it as G. G means global. I want to replace the Unix by Linux for all the matching instance in the entire file.txt. If you see, all the matching instance got replaced. Linux, and here also Linux, here also Linux, third line Linux, and here also Linux. All the matching instance got replaced. If you put G, and there is one more example. If you put 2G, 2G means it's combining both the line number, that is line addressing, and G. What is meant by 2? If you give simply 2, what is meant by this? If you give simply 2, only the second instance will be replaced. Only the second instance will be replaced. And if you put G, all the instance present in the file will be replaced. So if you combine both these 2 and G, from the second instance, from the second matching instance, it will be replaced for all the for the entire file. So it will check for the second matching instance, and it will replace, and from second onwards it will replace for all the matching instance. So it will leave the first matching instance. It will leave the first matching instance. From the second matching instance it will replace for all the successive matching instances. So here if you put 2G, the first one, this is the main file, the first one will not be replaced from the second instance onwards. So second instance is this one, this will be replaced, and 2G means this one will also be replaced. Second, there is no pattern, and in the third line the first matching instance will not be replaced, 2G. So from the second onwards, from second means Unix, this one will be replaced. Let me execute. The first one not replaced, from the second onwards replaced, and here also replaced. Second, there is no line pattern. This one is not replaced because we have given 2G, so from second onwards, so this one replaced. So 2G means from the second line to the entire matching instance, to all matching instance. So these are the things we have discussed. Here the same thing which I demonstrated now, /1, 2 and 3, only the first matching, second matching and the third matching. So we can say it as nth occurrence of the pattern in a line. And if you want to replace all the patterns, then you can simply give it as /G. And if you want to replace from the second matching instance to the all the matching instance, then you can give it as the number 2G. Number G means 2G means from the second matching instance to all the instances. The next one, you can also replace. Normally we will be using this slash as a syntax. So slash is a delimiter or syntax. So this is what we are using, but we can also change the syntax. We can also change this delimiter. Normally we are using slash as a delimiter, but in set command we can also change the delimiter from slash to pipeline or slash to colon, anything, underscore. This we will be discussing now. Here this example is I am echoing http://unix.com. So I want to replace http:// by www dot. So I want to replace the http:// by www dot. So what I am doing, using this substitution, I am doing this. Let me clear this. So sed single quotes yes slash and then that's all, single quotes close, and so I am echoing the output to the set command, echoing the output http://unix.com, echoing this output to the sed command. So here I am writing the substitution. What I am finding? I am finding for http://. Since I am putting slash and my syntax is also slash, so I want to escape this slash. To escape this slash, you have to put the backslash in front of the slash symbol. In front of the slash symbol, you have to put the backslash. In front of the slash symbol, you have to put backslash. And then you want to replace this by www dot. This is what I have written here. Let me execute. Yes, I am replacing http:// by www dot. So this slash, I am escaping this slash by putting a backslash in front of this division slash. So I am putting backslash in front of the division slash. So I replaced http:// by www dot. So next, the remembered repeated pattern and the tagged regular expression we'll be discussing in the next upcoming session. Thanks for watching. Bye.